Although it may seem a little contradictory at first, if you really want to keep a woman on her toes and get her to chase after you, you're going to have to ignore her. As a species, it's only natural to desire and crave something that seems out of our reach or unattainable. The mere fact that something may be out of our grasp makes it more alluring. Become the object of desire for your woman, and watch how she goes above and beyond to try and attract you. Give her less attention, and watch how mysterious and fascinating you become in her mind, which is exactly how you want her. So with that said, here are a few ways that you can ignore her, and make her chase after you as a result. Number 1. Be reserved when dealing with her. Less is always more when it comes to attracting women. You definitely do not want to put your feelings all out on the table on the first date. This will have the exact opposite effect that you are looking for. Reveal your true feelings little by little. Show some interest through text messaging, dropping little hints here and there as you get to know each other. However, keep the majority of your feelings to yourself. This will add mystery to your relationship dynamic, and will also keep her eager to learn more about you. Number 2. Never reply immediately. In order to get a woman to chase you, it's key that you don't come across as desperate. It might be tempting to reply quickly to her messages and calls, however it's always better to wait a while before doing so. Replying too quickly gives the impression that you are hanging on to her every move. She will see that she doesn't have to make much effort at all in order to get you to notice her. So it's better to leave her guessing and waiting on your next move. The more mysterious and unpredictable you are, the more enticing you become. In order for this to come across as organic, it can't be done all of the time. You don't want to give off the impression that you aren't interested at all. Just make sure that you are not always replying right away. Her impatience and curiosity is key, and this is sure to make her chase you. Number 3. Keep yourself busy. Women are attracted to guys who have their lives sorted out. They love to be with someone who has their own hobbies, dreams, and an exciting life. So to make a girl chase you, she has to see that you're not just waiting around for her. If she messages you, she can't expect an instant reply. This is because you are busy with other friends, and out enjoying your life. When she gets the impression that you lead a fun, engaging and exciting life, she will almost certainly want to be a part of it. So you need to stay busy, and she will be sure to chase you. Number 4. Never give in to all her demands. It can be easy to want to go above and beyond to please someone, but this is actually the wrong move if you want her to chase you. She needs to see that you respect yourself enough to sometimes say no to her. Once you do this, she will see that you value your time, space and energy, and she can't just have you whenever she feels like it. You never want to become her backup plan, and that is exactly what you will be if you never say no to her. She will know that she can just go to you whenever she wants, and she won't need to make much effort. You need to set clear boundaries and expectations, and she will be sure to chase you. Number 5. Make her jealous. This is definitely something you need to be cautiously strategic with. Be careful about going overboard with trying to make your woman jealous. However, making her feel just a little bit jealous can actually make you even more alluring. Try talking to other women when she's around, or let her know that you'll be going on a date with someone else. As soon as she realizes that she is not the center of your world and other girls are involved, she will almost certainly feel jealous and be even more determined to make the both of you exclusive. If she sees she has to make an effort to maintain your attention, she will go out of her way to impress and do anything to get noticed by you. Number 6. Put her in the friend zone. Again, this might seem like the opposite of what you want to do, however this technique is super effective. Absolutely no one likes being put in the friend zone, and this includes women as well. So if you treat your lady just like any other friend, this will begin to frustrate her, and she will be thinking of ways to change her behavior in order to get your attention. Now you probably don't want to keep her in the friend zone indefinitely, however if you do this in the beginning, it will show her that she has to put in some effort to get your attention, and to be that special person in your life. Number 7. Utilize the push-pull method. It's important to let a woman know that you are interested first before trying out any of these ignoring tactics. Women definitely do not handle rejection well. So to start off with, don't play hard to get. Give her some attention and get to know her. Exchange numbers and shoot a few texts. However, once you feel that you have established rapport, pull back a little. You want to do just enough to pique her interest, but not too much that she becomes complacent. Number 8. Act aloof when she attempts to make you jealous. Do not react to any of her attempts to try and make you jealous. Women will often employ tactics to make you jealous, to boost their own self-esteem and to keep the power in the relationship. Maybe she subtly flirts with other guys when you're around, or she tells you she can't meet up because she's got a date with someone else. Perhaps during conversations with you, she's always bringing up her exes. The best way for you to respond to this is to basically not respond at all. You should act as if you didn't even see or hear what she said. You are completely oblivious. Don't let her see any change in your composure, even if on the inside you are feeling hurt and frustrated. Don't do anything. If she sees she cannot impact your emotions this way, it'll make you even more intriguing, and she will probably feel more determined to win you over. Number 9. Ignore her when she's being irrational. If you find that your lady is starting to be unreasonable with her requests or her behavior, don't give her any attention. This is more likely to come further down the road when the two of you are more comfortable with each other. Let's say the two of you are in a heated debate, and she starts saying some pretty nasty things or making false accusations. Rather than reacting to her behavior, which may feel like the natural thing to do, control your own impulses and don't say anything at all. Everyone has a tendency to overreact at times, but women can be particularly emotionally impulsive. So ignore any interactions following her unreasonable behavior, unless she is saying sorry or making amends. This sets some clear boundaries, and lets her know that you won't just tolerate this kind of poor behavior from her, and you will instantly become more intriguing and desirable. Number 10. Never change plans for her. If you have plans which don't involve your lady, stick to them. Now, of course, if she needs to urgently see you because of an emergency, then you could postpone your plans. This shows that you care and that she can rely on you. However, if she calls you on a whim to just hang out, and you already have plans prior to her calling you, absolutely stick to your original plans. If she sees that you are willing to drop all of the plans that you already have the second she asks to hang out, this will communicate that she doesn't really need to make an effort, and she most certainly will not chase you, so say no and keep her guessing. If she becomes angry from any of this, you may want to reevaluate your relationship. It's understandable that she becomes angry if you have wronged her in some way. However, if you have just been busy, and you have been ignoring her a little, and then she becomes angry, well then you might need to reevaluate your relationship. You have only been ignoring her, however you don't have to date her. You don't want to date someone that is super aggressive or desperate, and in this situation, that is exactly how she is coming across. Explain that you don't like her anger. She may apologize and explain that she just feels hurt. She could also just reply in anger, and in that case, you should just move on.